Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guide. Join us as we tour the guest rooms available at Sage Lodge in Prairie, Montana. Although a Montana trip is typically focused on outdoor adventures, Sage Lodge is committed to the indoor experience as well. Their guest rooms were designed with comfort in mind, affording you a place to unwind, de-stress, or just be in a space where everything is taken care of for you. Gaze out the windows for hours, settle into your reading nook, or lounge on the balcony and lose yourself in the scenery. At 420 square feet, this Lodge King Room offers the ultimate in comfort. Ideal for getting cozy by the gas fireplace or stepping out onto your balcony or patio to take in the beauty of Paradise Valley. Each room includes one king bed, a gas fireplace, walk-in shower, and a separate sitting area with a queen pull-out sleeper sofa. To book your own Sage Lodge vacation, message us at themagictravelguide@gmail.com. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguide.com.